Want an easy way for visitors, customers, or clients to get in touch with you? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a contact form in Fillout from start to finish. We'll build the form, customize it, and publish it so you can start receiving messages. First, sign in to your Fillout account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Form. You can start with a blank form or choose a contact form template if one is available. Next, add the fields you want visitors to complete. Most contact forms include a full name field, an email address, a phone number if needed, a subject line, and a message box. You can also add optional fields depending on the information you want to collect. Now personalize your contact form by adding a title, a short description, and your brand colors or logo if you'd like. Mark important fields as required to make sure visitors provide the information you need. After that, open the form settings and review the available options. Depending on your Fillout plan, you may be able to set confirmation messages, email notifications, response limits, or connect the form to other tools you use. Before publishing, preview the form and submit a test message. Verify that every field works correctly and that your confirmation message or connected workflow behaves as expected. Once everything looks good, click Share to publish your contact form. You can copy the public link, embed the form on your website, or use other available sharing options so people can easily contact you. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact form in Fillout. Now you're ready to receive inquiries, organize responses, and make it easier for customers and visitors to get in touch. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.